Hey guys, this is Part from FTC Team 7477, and today we're going to be talking about how to set up and download Java on your computer. So the first step is to download the Java language on your computer. So what you want to do is search up Java and just hit the first link. This should get you to a page that looks like this, and you just want to hit download Java again. And up here to say 64-bit Java for Windows, and you can just click down here and this will start your download. I already have Java downloaded, so I will not be downloading it, but it is a pretty straightforward download. Now, one thing to note is that this is the Windows download. There is a simple step that you can do to download on Mac. If you're downloading on Mac, simply go to the address bar and after the download backslash type in apple.jsp. As you can see, this takes you to the Java for Mac OS page, and you can download it right here. Now, what we want to do is download an IDE, or an integrated development environment for Java. This is where you'll be actually writing your code and running your code in Java. We recommend IntelliJ by JetBrains. It provides a great community edition IDE that is free of charge. If you want to upgrade, it also provides a paid IDE that has some very good features. You just want to search up IntelliJ download and hit the first link. This right here is the Ultimate IDE, Ultimate IntelliJ IDE, which is the paid version. However, if you scroll down on their site, it'll take you to the Community Edition IDE, which we believe is very good, and you do not need to buy any paid version if you're just starting out. You can download here by clicking on this. Again, since I already have IntelliJ, I will not be downloading. Now, after you have these two downloaded, our next step is to open up your IntelliJ IDE. We can do that, just search it up on your computer and open it up. It will look something like this. What you want to do to start out coding in Java is just hit new project. It'll ask you to type in a name for the project. We can just write tutorial and ask you a location, some languages. This JDK right here, you can keep it like this. And this should all really be, you shouldn't have to change any of this except the tutorial name, so we can create the actual project. This is what's going to pop out with, and right here we can just go into the tutorial folder, and in source we can just right click source and we can create our new Java classes here. So we can do, we'll just call it first program. This is my first Java class now, and I've created a program. In the next video we will go over actually starting the Java program by methods such as printing and the main method. Thank you for watching. I hope you were able to successfully download Java on your computer.